everyone, welcome to our channel Keep It Rolling. This is your host Casey and today I'm going to unpack this Adofys 40-in-1 action camera accessory kit bundle which is compatible for GoPro Hero 5, Hero 6, Hero 4, Hero 3 and also for HDCam, Akaso and Xiaomi action camera. The MRP of this kit is around 4,500 rupees, but I bought it at a discounted price at Amazon and it costed me around 1,200 bucks. We are hoping that this kit is going to be really useful to us for a vlogging purpose. So let's unpack this and see what's inside. Now let's talk about what this kit contains. It has got 6 CNC long screw, 2 mount adapter, 2 links, 2 release buckles, 1 floating hand grip, 4 surface which is 2 curved and 2 flat, 10 adhesive pads which is like 5 rounds and 5 square, 1 adjustable selfie stick, 1 head strap mount, 1 suction cup mount, 1 quick release tilt mount, 1 chest strap mount, 1 360-degree rotating clip mount and 1 carrying pouch. The pouch looks a little flimsy though. Anyways, this set of mounts and accessories are perfect for any kind of adventure sports. I specifically like the chest strap as it lets you wear your action camera on your chest. The suction cup mount is another cool one. Using this, you can attach your action camera to your car window and record the sightseeing. Strap is really important for filming point of view angles on your action camera. The floating grip is another cool accessory that allows you to film and take photos during various types of water sports like swimming or surfing, and I really like this bright color. Overall, this kit looks super cool to use. The quality looks okayish. It is worth for money. I would recommend others to go for it if they are looking for something like this kit at a less price. Please let me know in the comment section of your thoughts about this product or this video. So that's all for today. We will be back with another cool video. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. We upload riding related videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you like the review and hope to see you soon on our next videos. Till then, stay safe, ride safe and bye bye.